Okay, so first of all, you have to prepare dry and the wet wipes. You will get them probably in the box with your tempered glass. And we have to start cleaning by using wet one. And then gently try to remove everything that is on the screen. So all of this, greasy marks, fingerprints, and dust from your screen. So we have to reach every corner. Just simply do this like in my case. And after you finish, you can find some wet marks on your screen. And you should actually get the dry one. And you will have to remove this wet marks. And right now, if you still have some pieces of the dust on your screen, then you can use duct tape or, for example, something like this, stickers, to remove that pieces of the dust. So let's say that it's right here, you have to just stick it to the screen and then take it off. And that's how you can easily remove every dust from your screen. You can start by applying this tempered glass. So you will have to start by removing this sticker and the foil that is underneath, like in my case. Now take a look on the screen one more time and just be sure that there's everything removed. In my case, I can already find some new pieces of the dust, but I will get rid of them quickly. There we go. And now we have to align this, glass so you can just light up your screen. There we go. Now put your finger at the top and put the bottom part on the screen. Right now, you have to turn off the screen and take a look. It will apply almost automatically. You don't even have to use your fingers, but of course you can do this to apply it a little bit faster. Take a look. And now you will have to grab that wipe one more time and press to remove any glue marks that still appears under that glass. And after you properly apply it, should look like this. Everything is fine. And that's how you can actually do this step by step.